Number 9. The nutribullet Registered Trademark Pro Plus 1200-watt Personal Blender with Pulse Function SKU. Matte black is a powerful and modern addition to any kitchen. With its sleek matte black finish and compact design, this blender is both stylish and functional, making it the perfect tool for all your blending needs. The 1200W motor base provides exceptional power, effortlessly pulverizing fruits, vegetables, and nuts to create smooth and delicious smoothies, soups, and sauces. The single-speed pulse function offers precise control, allowing you to achieve your desired consistency with ease. This blender comes with a range of accessories, including an extractor blade, a 32 ounces, 900 milliliters cup, a 24 ounces, 700 milliliters cup, 2 to-go lids, and 2 lip rings, ensuring that you have everything you need to blend and take your creations on the go. The dishwasher-safe components make cleanup a breeze, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The nutribullet Registered Trademark Pro Plus 1200-watt Personal Blender with Pulse Function SKU.